Hi everybody, Sounds here, and I have the 3D Sound. So what is the 3D Sound? It's a product where if you have Windows, Mac or Linux and you want another audio jack, or in my case you have a broken audio jack and you need a replacement. So here's a little product, nothing much. So on there you've got yellow and green. The yellow is for mic and the green is for audio and the USB in. It's great for if stuff. So it's also not bad for if you've got a gaming headset but you want to plug into your computer with the two separate plugs. But you can't use the Apple earplugs because you only do one or the other, audio and mic. So I've seen sometimes you plug in a plug and out comes a little splitter. So maybe I might get one of those, but there you go, and I'll show you how it works with Windows 10 and there. So I've got over here the product, and what you do is you find an available USB port. So over here I've got a port, eSATA, which is a USB port, and that's how you connect it. Then over here you would plug in your headphones or speakers. So how to switch between audio devices. So what you do is go down to the speaker icon, and I'm currently changing the audio levels. But if you see up there the other option, if you select that, you have the option between the laptop speakers and the external audio jack plug. So there you go. That's how you switch between devices and get it up and running, and there. Okay, so that was the 3D Sound. It's a audio jack adapter for Windows, Mac and Linux, computers which support it. I think it's great. I wouldn't get it if you don't need it for your computer unless you have a specific reason like me. I'm Sam, thank you for watching, and